we've got the plastic peeled off. This is our soil solarization plot that we put out several months ago. If you remember, we chilled it up, put an irrigation line down, and covered it with plastic. It's been a couple of months, and it got quite hot under there, and it's time to peel away the covers, take up the irrigation line, and get ready to put our fall crops in here. Now, if you remember, the whole purpose of this soil solarization is basically to make a little greenhouse, raise the temperature in the soil, to pasteurize that soil, to kill any nematodes, any weed seeds, and any disease organisms. So now this soil should be good and clean and ready for our fall crops. There are several things that you want to keep in mind, though, before you go in and plant them. First of all, remember to let it dry out enough so that it is ready to be tilled.
Also, before you walk on it, if you've been walking in another part of your garden that is nematode infested or has some known diseases in it, wash your shoes off. Also, wash the tines off on your tiller before you rototiller in here, because you could transfer some problems, nematodes or diseases from the other part of the garden into this clean, sterile part.
You've gone to great lengths to clean up this section. A little bit of effort to keep it clean will pay off. Now, as I said, it's been a very cheap and inexpensive and really quite easy method of getting this part clean. Again, you need to let it dry out. Also, you may need to let the soil cool out a bit. You've gotten it very, very high temperatures. You need to let the soil cool a little bit so you won't be killing the roots of the plants or any seeds that you plant. You need to get the temperature down. You probably will need to rototill it, get it worked up, and get it ready to go.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.